Hi guys, welcome back to me in YouTube. And this time I'm gonna share again another menu which is very popular in any occasion, especially here in our country. And the number one pick of our guests whenever we celebrate an occasion. And also this is my kids' favorite and my friends also. And this is what we call the popular Shanghai. However, my Shanghai is not an ordinary one. That's why I call my Shanghai as Pizza Party Shanghai. So, what are the ingredients that I use that make my Shanghai very popular to my friends, especially to my loved ones? Let's find out. Okay, so these are my ingredients for my pizza party Shanghai. I have here half kilo of ground pork and then minced carrots. I love to put carrots on my Shanghai, and I don't really. Others would like to grate the carrots, but I don't really do that because I want my Shanghai to be crunchy, and this carrot adds crunchiness to my Shanghai. And then I have here the kinchay, and then the minced garlic. That's one clove, and then one big onion, one red big bell pepper, 1/4 cheese, oyster sauce, and then one egg, plus the spices that I use. I use the Italian spices, and then I also use oregano. And this one is optional. If you want your Shanghai to be a little hot, you can use use a little of the cayenne pepper for the Shanghai if you want it a little or a bit hot. So those are the ingredients that I use for my Shanghai. And of course, you need the wrapper. I only use the regular wrapper here, but you can buy a special wrapper in the supermarket, which is quite more expensive than this. But since this is what available in my fridge, so that's the one I'm gonna use. Okay, so I hope you get all the ingredients. And like what I've said, there are some ingredients that can be optional in your Shanghai, but like what I've said, this Shanghai is pizza flavored, so it's called Pizza Party Shanghai. Okay, now all you have to do is to mix all the ingredients into a bowl where you put your ground pork. So the first thing that I do is I mix first the cheese. You can grate the cheese, but I can't find my grater. So I'll just mix this with my hands on the pork. Be sure that you mix it evenly. I always have this plastic gloves whenever I make my special Shanghai. So there, the cheese is mixed well already with the pork. So start putting all the ingredients. Garlic, the onion, Then the kimchi and the bell pepper. Then the carrots. With 1/4, or I'm sorry, with half kilo of ground pork, and together with all the ingredients that I mixed here, you can make at least 40 pieces of Shanghai. Okay, then let's sprinkle some Italian spices. I like to put more of this. This is what will make the Shanghai taste like pizza. Aside from the cheese and the bell pepper that you put, the mix. Then a dash of oregano. And cayenne pepper. And then our oyster sauce. And the egg. And then you put a little dash of salt, although the oyster sauce will give a taste to the Shanghai already, but if you want it a little salty, then you can add salt. So mix well together. The egg is used just to bind all the ingredients together. Others would use corn flour to let all the ingredients stick together, but I only use egg for this. Okay, so all the ingredients are mixed together. I'll just wait for 15 minutes so that the taste of each ingredient will be mixed with the other ingredients. So that's how easy it is to mix all together the ingredients that I have here a while ago. And all you need to do is let this sit for about 15 minutes so that the tastes will be mixed also in all the ingredients. So I'm gonna wrap this later, and once it is wrapped, it is ready. It is ready to be fried. Okay, I'm done wrapping my Shanghai, guys. I made about 30. I lock wrapper, so I put the leftover inside the fridge and not on the freezer. So maybe later this afternoon, I'm gonna buy some wrappers to wrap the remaining Shanghai there. Okay, so this is it. It's ready to fry, and I'm gonna fry it, and let's find out what will be the taste of my special pizza party Shanghai. So you cook this for at least 10 minutes. Remember, it should be in low heat, and it's almost done already. So once it is cooked, put it in a drainer, or use a paper towel so that the paper towel will absorb the extra oil from the Shanghai, or just use a drainer, oil drainer for that. Okay guys, my Shanghai is ready. I have here a cup of rice plus an appetizer here, which is kimchi. I always have that in the fridge because whenever my dish is dry, I have kimchi on my plate, and that is always what I do. So let us try. Let's taste the Shanghai now. Actually, I called it the pizza party Shanghai. So you can eat it just as it is, or you can have it with rice or a loaf bread. So let's try. Okay guys, I'm gonna try now my Shanghai, my special pizza party Shanghai with rice and kimchi on the side. Let's taste the Shanghai. Oh, it's still hot. Ah, still hot. See? Mmm. Mmm. Yeah. It's good. It's so good. I know my kids are gonna love this. And if you're gonna cook this at home, I know your kids or your family will also love this. Mmm. Nice to eat with rice. Or a loaf bread will do, or you can eat it like this. Crunchy. Yeah. So guys, I hope you like my video, and if you want to learn more about some cooking tips, please subscribe to my channel, Teach Lady Wow, and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified of the new videos, especially if you love my cookings in this channel.